to a brand new video. I've got several items from Chanel to share with you that I've purchased over the last, I would say, couple of weeks to maybe a couple of months, and I have not had a chance to unbox them, particularly because there are some ready-to-wear items and I didn't have it altered in time. But I thought I'd give you guys a glance at what I picked up. The first piece right here is actually a jacket that I picked up. This is from the, oh my goodness, 23K collection. Yes, 23K collection. It's a beautiful jacket. The price on this was quite reasonable for what it is. It is a tweed jacket, but it's got sequins all over it. It's really stunning. I did a quick unboxing on Instagram, and I took this with me to a trip to Las Vegas. We were visiting for the inaugural Formula One. And I purchased this in a larger size because, as you guys, some of you may know, I had a baby recently, and I've put on a significant amount of weight, more than I've ever put on in my life. But hopefully this is temporary, but I'm not going to beat myself up about it. The good thing about Chanel ready to wear is that you can really do so many wonders with altering it. If you go, it's always good to go bigger than smaller for sure, but there is a lot of seam allowance in these garments when you look at the number of seams, and a lot can be done with their alterations, which is why, as compared to other designers, if you look at Dior, someone actually made like a comment, they're like, "You're not French, why are you pronouncing it?" I'm like, so what do you want me to say? Obviously I'm not French, but you want me to say Dior? Like, sure, it's okay. We can pronounce things the way that they're meant to be pronounced, and that's totally fine. So anyway, as opposed to their ready-to-wear, there's really no seam allowance, even though I love their ready-to-wear, but this is, I'm not super stressed with my collection because I know a lot can be done. Fabric can be ordered, and there's so much that can be done. This is below hip length, so it really is nice with my maternity sort of outfits at this point in time, where I'm wearing like leggings and tops, and I want to cover my bum, so this is a little bit longer. It's black and white. It's very classic. If you look at the buttons, they look like little camellias, so really, really nice. It's got two pockets at the front. I'll show you some modeling shots of when I did wear it. It goes with a lot, and I really enjoyed wearing this. It's not super heavy, and the tweed isn't super stiff, so it has a really nice fall to it, nice drape to it. This is the back, and there is a chain, of course, with all their classic jackets that helps to weigh down the bag, and there's a glimpse of the lining. It's a silk lining, and it's got a little bit of a print to it. Really, really stunning. I'm really glad that I picked this up. You know, I saw it on the runway, but I wasn't sure. I wasn't really in the mood to purchase ready to wear because of my changing size. I was pregnant at the time, and but again, a lot can be done in terms of alterations, and I know that I'll have this piece with me for a really long time. So the next piece, if some of you are following me, this is something that I was trying to track down. This is from the 23B collection. I had it altered, and I picked it up recently, which is why it has the holiday packaging. Chanel killed it this year with the holiday packaging. Yes, you don't have the giant camellias, but they have this beautiful velvet ribbon. Okay, really nice. I actually got loads of this packaging because, I mean, there are a number of things that I purchased, so I'm so glad. And then it has these little charms. So this is one charm. This is the camellia. There's no branding on this. There's another one with a heart, and I'll show you. But I'll do like a close-up shot, but the way that it's weaved through, you could easily put this on a ribbon and put this in your hair. Some people are, you know, making these into buttons. Actually, I'll just take it off for you right now. Look at that. And like, people pay like for costume jewelry, right? So this is like kind of getting almost like classy. You can make this into earrings if you want to, make it into a choker, whatever you like. You can wear it as a little brooch if you wanted to add a pin. You can be very creative with this, and I really like that they did this year. They might regret but they really killed it this year. I think this is by far the best packaging I've ever seen. So I'm going to be taking a look through what this is. This is quite heavy. This is actually a coat, and it was for the 23B collection. Now, the B and the P collections don't have a runway show. So what that means is the ready-to-wear is considerably better price than the other collections, as opposed to, say, for example, Métier d'Art, which is the A collection. Those tend to be the most expensive. So 23B or 23P, those tend to be quite, like, I guess, very wearable collections. So I'm gonna pop this packaging in here, save it for later, and maybe I'll come up with some ideas of what I want to do with it. So here we have a coat. Okay. Now, I saw this once the collection was released. Like, I didn't really request to see any pictures or anything like that of the upcoming collection. Again, because I was anticipating, okay, I'm pregnant, like, nothing's gonna fit me. I don't know what my size is yet. And then around the time when I was due is when this collection was full-fledged in boutiques, and there was this coat hanging there, and I'm like, this is really nice. And then you're getting a full coat, and the price for a coat was quite good compared to some of the ready-to-wear that we're seeing now. This is the coat. Now, it had sold out so quickly, like there weren't many sizes, but it sold out. Plus I wasn't even sure of what size I'd be. It's all nicely stuffed. So I'll kind of stand back so you can see. It's a really long coat. It kind of goes to your ankles, and it's got kind of like this wool twill sort of weaving. So this is wool, and then it has all this chain detail. And here you've got like the buttons. Really nice. Got 2 pockets. So, and I love how it goes in and then it flares out. So I had tried to track down a size. Nobody in the US had it. Nobody here had it. So I couldn't find it anywhere. It was sold out in Canada. So I totally written it off. And then I got a message that it had come in a size 38, which is actually my pre-pregnancy size. And they asked the seamstress in the house, you know, can it be opened up? And she had said yes, because there's a lot of paneling, plus they can order fabric. So got it altered. They opened it up to the max and have a panel of fabric waiting for me if we want to insert it. So I tried it on, and I'm still early in my postpartum phase, and the seamstress had suggested, look, wait a couple of months, you know, wait a full year. She's seen me before, and this is opened out. We're not going to put in the fabric just yet because it'll be more work to take it out later. I'm not in a rush to wear this, so the fabric is sitting there if I need it, and hopefully I'll fit into this at some point. But this is such a beautiful classic piece. Really love the cut of it. I think I have a mod shot of me when I was trying it on, so you guys can see kind of what it looks like, but it is a really beautiful coat. The next piece is another ready-to-wear piece. This is from the Cruise collection that was launched recently. Beautiful ribbon here with the camellia charms. So here we have both the charms. Actually, I'll just show you. There's the heart charm. Isn't that really cute? Really, really sweet. Like if you wanted to use it as a button or in your hair somehow, I think that's really nice. They did a really good job with this packaging here. Really nice. So I'll just add that to the mix. And here we have a jacket from the Cruise collection. This is the one that they did in LA, the runway. And I'm seeing this for the first time because I picked it up after, and I picked it up and it was all wrapped up for me. So this is a yellow tweed jacket. And here we have all these beautiful colors. I'll stand back so you can see it. And you've got all these beautiful colors like blue and pink. You can hear a baby crying in the background. So the buttons on this are stunning, if you look here. And it has so many colors that you can wear with a bunch of different colored handbags, and really, really pretty. So I tried this on when I was in Las Vegas. There was a size 42 there, and I couldn't quite get it on over my arms because I've put on some weight on the underarm and upper arm area, and for that reason I can't get my arms through. So My Toronto sales associate I had messaged, and you know, they had suggested, okay, we have a 44, it's the only one, and what we can do is we can always alter it down. I haven't tried this on yet. I'm wearing a sweatshirt, I'm not wearing the right outfit. Maybe I can do like a mod shot where I'm trying this on, but you can imagine it is a really, really beautiful tweed, and it kind of hits like just above the hip. It's really flattering. It doesn't like cut me off at a weird spot, but this is a beautiful tweed. It's not super thick. It's really nice for the summertime, for like a nice summery jacket. I don't have anything in this color, so this is a beautiful, beautiful piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be filming a subsequent video because this video is getting too long, and I'll be posting that later. These are for leather goods that I picked up, and I have a stunning reveal and unboxing for you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video.